year. We will still have some end of the year awards that we'll share with you, but this is our final positive action assessment. It's just hard to believe that we are at that point. At this time, remember, we are watching for who is going to be able to have those special spots. We might have special seating on the last assembly. You never know what we have up our sleeves. So be on your best behavior as we move forward. I'm going to hand this over to Anne Marie, and she's going to do our Star Spangled Banner. Please rise.
One student in every classroom. The classroom teacher chooses the student they feel has done the best job of exhibiting the character trait of the month. This month's character trait was courageous. Being courageous means that you are willing and able to do what is difficult, even when others won't. For 4th grade, we have Mackenzie Soderstrup, Jackson Thompson, Jenica Wetzel, Carly Clausen, Lexi Danforth, and Bailey Deardorff. And then for 5th grade, oh sorry, Lexi, you're over here. Oh no, next turn. Caitlin Deardorff, Chance Vandenberg, Cabria Gilbert, Thomas Cohen, Leiden Knox, and America Vaquero. All right, and next I think is the Rotary Club. They'll be up in just a second.
All right, I'll be presenting the Service Above Self Award. This award is given each month and continuing to a student who's gone out of their way to help others and make their school or community a better place through the giving of their time and service. Any staff member or teacher may nominate an individual for this award. I would like to invite our Rotary Club member up to pass me the honor. All right, this month our Service Above Self Award has been earned by a student who often goes out of their way to help be a part of keeping our playground clean. Seeing you come in from spending time outside with your class and your hands are full of paper and trash that did not belong outside on a playground is greatly appreciated. Thank you for leading by example and going above and beyond to keep our school grounds clean. From Mrs. Quinn's class, Joey Leon.
Hello, I am Mrs. Holston, and I am announcing the Writer of the Month. Classroom teachers choose one student they feel has done an outstanding job with their writing this month, whether that is through the growth and strides in developing their writing skills that they've made over the last few weeks, or an outstanding effort shown on an assignment or project. These students have worked hard to improve their writing skills. For 4th grade, we have Brody Monrian, James Morgan, Johnny Moylan, Layla Gray, Jackson Irwin, Logan Sexton, and Ruby Rose. For 5th grade, we have Levi Thompson, Gracelyn Davidson, Nella Chamberlain, Jackson Anderson, Ruthie Carver, Jeremiah McKernan, and Phoenix Hoffman. Next up is our Reader of the Month.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the Reader of the Month. This is an award given to one student from each class who is chosen by their classroom teacher. These students have done an outstanding job with their reading over the past month, whether through in-class participation, doing a great job on their assignments, or even just practicing at home and maybe at lunch or recess. They've got a book out there improving their skills. They have gone above and beyond what is expected of them in the classroom to achieve more and improve their reading. From 4th grade, we've got Jersey Hargrave, Lily Faye Smith, Carson Rogers, Jenica Wetzel, Judson Meeks, Miller Hilbrand, Owen Bross. Nice job, 4th grade. 5th grade, you ready? Here we go. Avery Barker, Becca Siggenthaler, Blakely Myron, Xander Baskin, Lucas Allen, Aubrey Seymour, and Charlie Huckabee. Nice job, readers. This is especially hard this time of the year because it gets to the end of the year and everybody wants to relax. And people will be doing their best. Extra awesome. Our next award is the Bright Futures Award. Okay, this is an award you get entered into a drawing through participating for our Bright Futures barrel donations. So you do different things. We have different items that we're collecting throughout the year for the community. Throughout this past month, our students have collected toothbrushes and toothpaste. If you donated an item, again, you had your name entered in a drawing to win this beautiful t-shirt that I promise I haven't tried on. This month, our Blue Barrel ticket drawing winner is Timberland Johnson. All right. Next month, we are going to be collecting deodorant. That's extra important this time of year. Shampoo and body wash. Okay? All those things for our back-to-school hygiene kits. Trust me, I don't want to smell you any more than you want to smell me. So, if you want to donate those things, that would be great. I'm going to go ahead and invite Mr. Jeffries to do Art in the Community.
Okay, my name is Mr. Jeffries, and I actually have two different things to give away today. One of them is the normal every month Art in the Community. So Brittany Terwilliger. Thank you. Patty Stevens. Delaney Ash, Clay Wolf, Isa Huff, Zoe Henderson, London Sloan, Aria George, Adler Hunter, Hayden Waller. Okay, these, some of you may not even have known, but I sent some artwork to the Cass County Art Show, which is all the schools in Cass County, and we took first, second, and third place. So that's super cool. So Isabella Cunningham. Okay. Presley Dew. Thank you. Brianna Robb. All right. And then our third place winner was Haley Joyce.
Carly, I want a picture.
And our second place winner was Eden Gaines. Eden, we get all kinds of swag here. And Oakley Gibbons. I know, right? Congratulations.
All right, my name is Mrs. Schrock, and I am here to give out the Mathematician of the Month award. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Whether in class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. We will start with our 4th grade winners. Liam Hawkins, Blakely Knoy, Kira Stewart, Zoe Matthews, Emerson Matthews, Maverick Bollinger, Haley Castillo. And for 5th grade, Kinsley Smith, Emma Langman, Lucas Hirschberger, Kason Meyer, Sophia Chastain, Presley Dew, and Asher Gardner. Up next, I will have Dr. Love come do our Sonic staff member of the month. All right. All right, this month, I need my award. This month, we have been very, very busy with all of our math testing. Every single person in this building had the opportunity to either take the math test or give the math test. Was it tiring? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It was exhausting. It was actually a lot more exhausting than you think for your teachers too, because it's kind of boring to watch you guys take that test. It makes you tired. Okay, the person that I would like to recognize this month is Mrs. McFadden. Please together. So, putting that test together and all of the extra things that go on to make sure that runs smoothly is hard. And this is Mrs. McFadden's first year here at McEwen, and she did an excellent job. So make sure that you congratulate her. She can share her parking spot with somebody else. All right, and now for the big awards, the extra recess, and the weather is awesome, so I'm really excited about these. The Perfect Attendance Award for this month goes to Mrs. Pufford's class. the on-time award goes to Mrs. Henderson.
All right. I am proud to present the PE Student of the Month Award to a boy and a girl for both 4th grade and 5th grade. It's the same gist every time we get in here, where I would like to show recognition to the students who come in and they are able to demonstrate the 3 expectations every single day, consistently, all the time, whether it's wearing their tennis shoes with proper attire, they're showing good sportsmanship all of the time, and no matter what the game or the activity or the unit is, they're trying to have fun within that. For 4th grade, we have Bailey Deerdorf and Liam Hawkins.
I'm gonna go take a picture.
And for 5th grade, we have Harper Gilmore and Levi Tomato.
Okay, everybody. It is that time, Student of the Month. Officer King couldn't be with us here, but he wants to congratulate each of you as well. So each month, each teacher has an opportunity to nominate a student. A boy and a girl are chosen from 4th and 5th grade. These students are going to be students that socially, behaviorally, academically, all are showing kindness and respect to their adults and their classmates, leading by example and outstanding behavior in all of those areas. So we will start with 4th grade. This student is hardworking. He always tries his best on everything from schoolwork to work on the ball field. He is a great role model for our classroom. He is always, in all capital letters, kind to others, includes everyone, and is willing to go the extra mile to help out whenever he can. He participates even when he isn't sure and shows respect at all times. We are very lucky to have you as such a great friend and student in our class. From Mrs. Henderson, Clay Wolf. Congratulations. Okay, and our 4th grade girl. This student has been a wonderful friend to several of her classmates this last month. She has been very patient, helpful, going above and beyond to make sure her classmates understand and are included and feel loved. She has a heart of gold and really does want to make sure everyone is included and happy. I have watched her take some classmates that need some extra help and patience under her wing and always checks on them. I am so proud of you when I see you from Mrs. Johnson's class, Lydia Conrad. Conrad. I promise I wouldn't do that again, and I did. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. 5th grade. We will start with our 5th grade boy. When you're ready. Okay. This student has been a great addition to my class this year. He is someone I can always count on to do the right thing. He is a good friend to everyone and has high expectations for himself and his classmates. I enjoy watching him learn and grow in 5th grade from Mrs. Edelman's class, Casey Meyer. All right, we have one more, guys. Whenever you're ready. Thank you. Okay, our 5th grade girl. This bright sweetheart is wise beyond her years. She knows when someone needs help, including the teacher.
She takes time to makes things for others and makes them feel special. Every project, assignment, or test she takes very seriously and always strives for above and beyond. For these reasons, she is so magical. From Mrs. Neal's Banana Peels, Kristen